In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections on Substack. Substack is a platform designed to help you publish newsletters, foster community discussions, and even explore multimedia options like podcasts. Organizing your content using sections can streamline your newsletter and enhance your subscribers' experience. Let's dive into creating and personalizing these sections for your Substack publication. To begin, navigate to Substack's homepage, ensure that you're logged into your account so that you can access all the settings we'll be discussing today. Look for the settings icon, typically located next to your recommendations section. Clicking this will lead you to your account settings panel where you'll find various options to customize your publication. Once you're in the settings panel, you need to look on the left-hand side for the sections tab. This is where we'll be creating and configuring new sections for your newsletter. Click on it to proceed. In the sections window, you'll notice an option labeled Add Section. Clicking this allows you to start creating a new section. Think of a section as a discrete area within your newsletter that can contain specific types of content or cater to a specific interest group in your audience. Now, after clicking Add Section, you'll want to decide on a title for this section. You can type in a name that reflects the nature of the content you wish to include. Maybe it's a highlight section for featured articles, or an updates section for recent news. After typing in the desired name, confirm this by clicking the section name again to proceed to further customization. Next, you'll want to add a description to your new section. This description serves as a brief introduction that will inform your readers about the content they'll find in this part of your newsletter. Be clear and concise, making sure it captures the essence of what this section is all about. Optionally, you can enter an email sender name for communication purposes, providing another layer of personalization to your newsletter's outreach. There's also an option to hide posts from the homepage if you prefer to keep them exclusive to specific subscribers. Use this feature to control visibility and reader access as needed. To enhance the aesthetic appeal, consider adding a section logo. A well-designed logo can make your section more recognizable and can reinforce your branding strategy. If your newsletter includes podcasts, you have the opportunity to add them to sections as well. This is particularly useful if you're leveraging multimedia to engage with your audience. You might also want the convenience of automatically adding new subscribers to this section. Enabling this feature ensures that all your followers have access to the content right from the start. For those who have existing subscribers, you can choose to copy your entire email list over to the new section. This ensures continuity and helps in keeping your audience updated without them needing to take additional actions. Finally, review all settings and modifications made. Once satisfied, click Create Section to finalize the process. And there you have it, a new section ready to enrich your newsletter. Don't forget to explore these options and tweak them to suit your unique content and audience needs. Substack's section feature is a powerful tool for reining in how you manage and present content. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.